This self-heating pet pad from Mora Pets has been inspected by the toughest first-time critics I know, my brand new kittens, Laverne and Shirley. So let's see how it performed. I was gifted this self-heating pet pad and it has been perfect for keeping my kittens warm and cozy. I have the small size, which is 24 inches by 18 inches. It fits my 2 kittens well, and I think that it will still be a great size for them as they grow into full-time cats. It's reasonably priced on Amazon, and I'll provide a link for it in the video description below. The padding insert is made up of 3 layers, a self-heating layer, heating silk, and 220 grams of thick poly filling, which keeps your pet comfortable while the thermal insulation radiates their heat back to them. The self-warming cat pad eliminates the need for electricity, and that's a good thing in my books when it comes to pets. There's a removable cover that is quilted suede fabric on top and has an anti-slip bottom. There's a well-concealed zipper so that the cover can be taken off for easy washing.
What does that feel like? That's nice and soft, isn't it? I know, I can hear it. Oh, I know. Hi. Oh, you're so chatty, aren't you?
You could put it into your cat's carrier to make a really nice little bed for your cat. It's lightweight and portable. Overall, this is a really soft, warm, comfortable pad that is extremely flexible and can be used in a lot of ways. When I first introduced it to my kittens, Laverne and Shirley, Shirley gave it a thorough inspection, clawing at it, and I'll admit I was nervous she was going to wreck the material, but it held up nicely. And after about an hour of play and inspection, the pet mat passed Shirley's approval. And every day since, this is where I find both kittens, 1 or 2 of them curled up together, enjoying a morning, afternoon, or evening nap on the self-sustaining cycle of warmth that is found safely within the pet mat made by Mora Pets. I know that Laverne and Shirley love this pet mat, and hopefully your pet will too.